Hi guys, welcome to another video from Advanced in Car. So following on with our little kind of series of tow bars that we've been doing, today Owen and I have been working on this 2023 Q8. So nice new one, very highly spec'd car, has like 360 cameras and stuff, all various sensors going on, but the chap obviously wanted that last extra bit of use from his car with the tow bar. So let's get down on the floor and have a closer look at how it all works. So with all the tow truss bars, they all work in exactly the same way. The only thing that really differs about them is the actual main bar itself, because obviously they're all just different designs for different vehicles. But the mechanism and how you fit the swan neck itself and remove it, lock it and things, it's all exactly the same. So if you've watched any of the other tow truss videos, you'll see that it works. But we'll run through this one anyway, because it's always good just to see how it all works. So as you can see at the moment, the electricity plug, so this one is a 13 pin, is swung up out the way, and because of the way where the cutout is on this bumper, you can't see it, and it all looks nice and smooth, which is one thing the customer's a little bit worried about, that maybe the cutout might come up and be visible, but it's all good and we'll be able to keep it all tucked away. So first off, before we want to put the actual tow bar in, we're going to remove the dust cap that comes in your nice little canvas bag, and then we're going to make sure the tow bar itself is in the fully unlocked position with the red tag locked in place, and then we're just going to chuck it up in, and there we go. That has automatically locked itself in and the green tag is now visible, which means for the moment the tow bar is kind of latched in place, if you like. Then what we're going to do is just peel back the little blue dust cover, pop in the keys. These are always fiddly if you've watched any of our tow bar videos. There we go, and then give it a quick 180 turn, take the key out, and now that is locked and isn't going to drop out. You have to make sure that you lock it and take those keys out, because there obviously could be that fear that it could somehow dislodge itself, drop out, and we don't want that to happen. Then you just pop your dust cap back on over the keys, and then pull down your electrics, which is just here. There we go, and then you're good to plug in, and away you go. Removing it is just the reverse, and actually has a little kind of symbol diagram on the mechanism itself, but we'll go through it anyway. So we'll push the electrics up, bring the open the flap on it, put the key in, being fiddly again. There we go, little 180 turn, and then we push the, what would it be? It's like a handle, if you like. Push it in, turn it until it goes red, and it wiggles out just like that. And then you can leave it unlocked, ready for when you're going to next install it and use it. So what we'll now do is we'll plug in our little test box, and we'll show how it integrates on this vehicle that has the 360 camera system, which may be slightly different to yours if you don't have that full 360 cameras. So obviously in the cabin now, and we've got the engine running just so we can pop it into reverse and show it all working. So with this car, as I said, it has full 360 camera. So on the left hand side there, you've got a full view around the car, and on